This is black soup. It originates from Benin and it is absolutely delicious. Just keep on watching and I'll show you how it is made. This is my first time of making this soup and I'm going to be making this black soup with different kind of vegetables. I have ugu leaf here. I also have Uziza leaf and I'm also going to make use of scent leaf. Scent leaf is one of the leaves that is particularly used for black soup. I'm also going to be using bitter leaves. Bitter leaves is majorly the leaf that is used to make black soup, but I'm going to be making my own black soup with a combination of all of these leaves. I never knew that the combination of this leaf can produce such a delicious soup because I have never tried black soup before. This is my first time making this, as I said before, and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm going to transfer all my leaves to the blender. I'll add the bitter leaf, the scent leaf, the ugu leaf, the uziza leaf, some peppers and onions. I'll add water and blend them all together. Continue blending all the leaves together until they form a smooth consistency. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for coming into this channel and you're welcome. Please do not forget to give me a like by clicking on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value from this video at all. And to all my subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Now these are the proteins I'm going to use to make this black soup. I will make use of beef, cow skin and some dried fish. This soup is particularly very nutritious and healthy for those persons with diabetics, high blood pressure, any woman who are just put to bed. Very good for them. It is nutritious and delicious. So I added the beef, salt, seasoning powder, some onions, the catfish head and water to boil together. If you don't like the fish head, you can throw that away or you can preserve it to make another kind of seasoning with it. So the meat is boiled now. I'm adding my cow skin and I'll also add the dry fish, the body of the dry fish. I also added crayfish to this soup. Please make sure you add enough crayfish when you are making this kind of soup. It's very delicious. I will also put in my palm oil. If you have the palm kernel sauce, you can make use of that, but I don't have that, so I'm making use of the red oil. I'll cover the pot and I'll allow everything to boil together. When the proteins are properly cooked together, now I'll add the mixed vegetables or the mixed leaves. I already transferred them into my freezer because I was not ready to make the soup at that point in time. So I added it into the pot and it's going to melt while it's in the pot. Now it's fully melted and see how it's just bubbling up and cooking together. This soup, as it's cooking right now, may not look very attractive to you, but when it is totally cooked, it is very delicious, I tell you. You need to try this for yourself if you have never tried it before. So I added more crayfish to this soup to further flavor the taste of this soup. So I'm going to continue cooking this soup until most of the water is completely dried out or it is of a thick consistency that I like. The black soup is now ready. If you still like, you can make it thicker by allowing it to cook further. But right now it is ready and you can be consumed with any swallow of your choice. This soup is so delicious, you need to try it. If you are pregnant right now, please don't forget this soup when you deliver. It is very good for you. If you have diabetics or high blood pressure, this soup is also very good for you. You can also make this soup without adding any oil if you have high blood pressure. So I want to thank you all for watching this video and coming to my channel. God bless you all, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.